Alright, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. We're working on a Buick Lesabe custom today. And I'm gonna let Tim have it ready. There you go, Tim.
Alright. 98 Buick Lesabe custom. We got a check engine light on. Customer came out one day, started up, it was fine, came back out. Later, after it was running or so, lights on. I noticed a slight misfire in the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to have Antoine hook up the computer, see what code's in there, and we're going to diagnose it from there. So I'm going to get the camera. Antoine, you go ahead, do that.
First off, we have our Actron. We have other devices that hook up to it, but we'd rather use the Actron, make it faster.
Okay.
And a whole lot lighter. So you take your OBD2 plug, you're gonna plug it right here. Once you have it plugged up, connect your adapter, turn your switch on.
Okay.
If you wanted to, you can go global, or either you can just type in the information, but I cheat.
All right, turn it to a little bit towards me. Okay. And what are we going
so
to?
now that I'm at this stage, and I want to diagnose the car, let's go to diagnostic code, press enter. You read the directions up here. It tell you basically what you want to go to and what you don't want to go to. So we want to read the codes to find out what the problem is. So now we're gonna wait one moment, get the computer time enough to pick up. Now that it's spun. Now, P0135, O2 sensor heater circuit, malfunction,
bank one sensor 1. All right, what I'm going to do is set the camera up, and we're going to let you see this. We're going to explain to you what this code means. All right, we'll be right back. 135. Okay, P0135, O2 sensor heater circuit. Now, back before 1991, cars had O2 sensors would have one wire, and the only way this O2 sensor could read correctly is that the car would have to be racing. Either the RPM's got to be up about 2,000, the car's got to be driving. But newer cars now have 4 wires, and 2 of those wires are heater wires, heater circuits, like a heater element. And matter of fact, it activates as soon as you put the key on. So we know this one is burnt out. Very simple fix. So already, without even diagnosing, don't even need it, we know this car needs an O2 sensor on bank 1, sensor 1. So now what we're going to determine is which side is bank 1, and it's the first O2 sensor. So we're going to check that out. Matter of fact, let me get you and show you along. Okay, now what's good about this car is that, see, it's got the original coils up here. Now see these numbers right here? That means which cylinder they're going to. Now bank 1 is always where the number 1 cylinder is. So we got it right there. So we're looking, and that goes right there to over here. So we know bank 1 is over this side. Now Antoine, now we got bank 1, sensor 1, right? So we know for a fact the first O2 sensor on this side is no good. So we're going to talk to the customer, let them know what's going on. And we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We determined that the O2 sensor is no good. Well, the O2 sensor is good. The heater circuit inside the O2 is no good, and that's right down there. Let's see if I can get you a good look at it. Right there. There's the wire going to it. It comes up here. plugs up right there. So the customer's gonna go pick up an O2 sensor, and then we're gonna change that and clear the check engine light out, and that's gonna fix the problem. We'll be right back. All right, go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys, girls, children, all ages. What you want to do when you're changing the O2 sensor? Most of them have this blue pen, green, or whichever color it may be. You pull that out. You lift the pen. You pull this end out from your harness. Now, you want to take a pair of pliers or something.
Huh? Oh, pull that back.
And pull this thing out.
That should be able to come right out of there.
Yeah, it should. Let's see.
You're having a hard time over there.
Oh yeah, it's giving me a hard time. But it's coming though. Oh yeah, I feel it coming now.
You want some pliers? Needle nose, rather.
Yeah, that'll work. That'll work real good. For needle nose pliers.
The long ones.
Yeah, that'll work.
All right. We're gonna pause for a second. I'm gonna go get Antoine some needle nose pliers, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back.
All right, now I have my needle nose pliers. I'm gonna stick it in there and just twist. Comes right out. Once again, we're doing a O2 sensor the last time. You're gonna push this down, get it out of the way.
Well, it's like a hard spot, man. You can't even hardly see in there. We got you. So what kind of socket is that you got up there?
7/8.
Just a regular 7/8 socket?
And no, it's not a regular 7/8 socket. It's a O2 sensor socket.
Okay.
Has a groove in the middle, so your wire comes through. Now you just twist and turn. That's all you do. Twist and turn.
And it sounds kind of rusty down here.
Oh yeah. Now, when you put these things back on, you're gonna have some type of lubricant, anti-seize, or whatever it is, so you wouldn't have this problem coming back out. It would be hard to come back out, or you don't break it coming out.
That is tight.
Yeah, it is. It's coming though. It's coming. When you get in a situation like this, you never want to force it. Now,
That's it.
this is your O2 sensor. This is where you'll be putting your anti-seize on your next one.
Okay. We'll be right back.
Okay, everybody, I'm pretty sure you all know how to install the O2 sensor. I'm sorry for the time, our battery is about dead. So, once again, thank you for watching Antoine and Tim's video. If we can't repair it, nobody can.